please. Please pass me the ball. Please pass me the ball. Thank you. Thank you for helping me with this. Thank you for helping me with this. Excuse me. Excuse me, can I come up? Excuse me, can I come up? I am sorry. I am sorry for breaking your vase. I am sorry for breaking your vase. May I? May I come in? May I come in? I don't understand. I don't understand how to solve this puzzle. I don't understand how to solve this puzzle. Can I help? Can I help you clean the house? Can I help you clean the house? I need help. I need help for my homework. I need help for my homework. I am finished. I am finished with my work. I am finished with my work. I like it. I like picture you drew for me. I like picture you drew for me. I don't like. I don't like eat vegetables. I don't like eat vegetables. I love you. I love my family. I love my family. Good job. Good job on completing your degree. Good job on completing your degree. I am hungry. I am hungry. Can we have dinner? I am hungry. Can we have dinner? I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Can I have some water, please? I am thirsty. Can I have some water, please? Can I play? Can I play with your toy? Can I play with your toy? I am tired. I am tired. I go to sleep. I am tired. I go to sleep. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I am coming. Wait a minute. I am coming. Can I have a turn? Can I have a turn on the slide, please? Can I have a turn on the side, please? If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave your comment